Why is it so important as a beginner investor to have an effective watch list? And when you see value in stocks that you add to your watch list, why is it so important to have an effective alerts? Well, I'm going to share my screen with you in just a second and give you an example of one of my watch lists that I use for specific trading criterias or stock criterias to add into this specific watch list. Also show you how to create watch lists and add and delete stocks from that watch list. We'll also show you how to set up alerts that are effective and that are going to be used to your benefit. Guys, thank you for joining. My name's Johnny with the Investing for Beginners community. I help over 100,000 traders just like you learn how to beat the stock market. So if you guys find value in that, subscribe to the channel and smash that like button for me as well. So guys, what is an effective watch list? Well, you can have a watch list of pretty much anything. So when you want to set up a watch list, you go to add watch list and you can set up a name. So let's say undervalued, okay, as an example, and you go to okay. Now I use the WeBull trading platform, but this can be effective in any platform that you decide to use. So you just go to your little watch list tab up here on WeBull, click down this little scroll, and as you can see, there's an add watch list. That's what I just did here, and I have an undervalued one here. Now, if you want to delete the watch list, then go simply to watch lists up here, click on these little three lines, and you can go to edit watch list, and right here, you can go to delete. Now that's how you add and delete a watch list. Now, how do you create an effective watch list? That's why you're watching. Go back to stocks, and we're going to have stocks 2024. Now these are going to be all the companies that I watch daily. Now there is 23 of them, and I am constantly looking at these same 23 stocks. Now sometimes someone will call out a stock in our Sunday night stock talk at 7 p.m. or in our live day trading sessions Monday through Friday at market open, where I go live for about 30 minutes to an hour every single morning. You guys can watch me trade live, enter and exit positions, and ask me questions. Now, with that said, that's my all. So you're going to want to have a watch list with all your stocks. Now I have one for, say, oversold. Now, I love buying cheap stocks. I love buying companies that are undervalued or that are oversold, right? I like cheap blue chip stocks. Now, I'm not talking penny stocks, although this one kind of technically is. But you can also look at stuff like Mara, super oversold right now. Occidental, super oversold and hitting these support lines. I would then identify this from, say, a long criteria of stocks like QQQ. When it becomes oversold, then I would add it to my oversold list. Now, how do you do that? Well, simple. You can either click here, a right click, go to add watch list, and you can click and minus it from the icons here, as you can see, okay? Or you can click on whichever screen that you see here, right click, go down to add watch list, and you can add the watch list right here. Okay, now you can have as many watch lists as you want, and I want to stress the importance that it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, you don't have to stress so much that all these stocks are in my watch list and I can never get rid of them again. No, that's not the point. The point of an effective watch list is that you're managing it every single week or sometimes every single day into exactly what you want that fits your trading criteria. Okay, now I even have a watch list specifically for ETFs that I trade. I like to watch certain ETFs. I have ones for oversold and I have ones for my positions. Now I do have 5 positions currently, all swing trades over the weekend because it is Sunday today. But the main point is having these effective alerts. As you can see here, JDST is oversold, Intel is oversold, Mara is on that oversold level coming down. So when it does get to that oversold level, then I will be buying the dip. Same with Occidental, Palantir, SQQ, Hood, Hood is super oversold, so I just added it to the list on Friday, showing a small green candle for some major upward potential, okay, like of 10%. Now, with that said, how do you create alerts for these positions? Okay, well, I have alerts on every single one of them. That's exactly what these little bell icons are here. Now, when they turn gold, like when we actually trade, they will turn gold, and then that'll show that the alert was hit. Now, I do have alerts set for not only where I set the alert. Okay, so for example, let's look at Meta. Meta has these two little alerts right here, and what you can do is to create an alert, right click, go to create alert, and you can go at above 467, below 467, or at 467.13. Okay, now those three are very important. Now, once you have an alert set, let's go right here and we'll go below 464. It says set successfully, and it'll create an alert for you. Now you can drag this alert up and down, okay, just by clicking on it and dragging it. You can also delete the alert, okay, by hitting the X. And you can also hit this little eye gear, and you could pull up the actual alert settings. As you can see here, this share price is here. Price goes below 472, I will be alerted. Price goes above 477, I'll be alerted. You can change these from below to above. You can add them right here if you want, and you can add, say, 471, and I want it to hit it below. You can do that as well. So then it'll create you a new alert, as you can see here. You can drag it, okay? You can also look at news and movements. So if the price moves sharply, you can create alert. If there's a news, you can create an alert, okay? You can also set it for once per day, once per minute, or unlimited amount of times. And you can include extended hours, which we will do today, okay? One more thing to consider when setting effective alerts is technicals. Now you can add technical indicators, like say this moves on the RSI, or say you want a sharp price movement. It hits a 52-week low, which would then indicate that it's oversold to me because it's reaching those 52-week lows. You can also do a sharp rise, a sharp fall, and there's even specific ones where they move 5% for the day. It'll generate an alert automatically. If this company moves 5% on the day, it'll create an alert. So that is how you are or can create effective watch lists and effective alerts as a beginner trader or investor. Yeah, whether it's for day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing, it's crucial to be able to set up watch lists. And not just one watch list, but multiple watch lists. Maybe you have some for oversold when you want to buy the dip. I know that's my favorite strategy and criteria when trading in stocks. Also, you can do them when they have a fast move up. I have a criteria for these companies when they have a 5 or 10% move upward direction, then I invest, right? Now that can be even used as stock screeners. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was straight to the point and super simple to understand. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget you can actually smash that first link, click that first link below, and you'll get access to our Investing for Beginners community that we built for you, which provides simple strategies to improve your investing game. We have blogs, news articles, we have trading tools that you can use, such as the most recent earnings releases. If you like to play earnings reports, you can set up a watch list by simply coming here, seeing what's going to be releasing their earnings, and then create a watch list specifically on just earnings reports. We have real-time economic calendar, advanced real-time charts, as well as the 3 stages of reversal, 3 stages of position size, and I'm constantly adding to this trading tools. We're going to be adding a risk to reward ratio chart, as well as a few other charts that I believe you would see value in. So I appreciate your guys' time. Thank you for joining and being a part of the community. Definitely subscribe if you aren't, and we will see you all in the next video. Thank you and have a great day.